Girls will lust over guys who do this. 15 tips on how to make a girl lust over you. 15. Be bold and ask her out. One of the things that sweep women off their feet is a gutsy move. Make a bold move and go ask her out. If you're into small talk, have the courage to ask her number. Although not everyone, most women like it when men are bold. When you directly make a move and ask her out, it means a lot to her, knowing that she has been on your mind for some time. Ask her how she wants the date to be and let her go her own way. Being on a date is also a simple, yet very effective way of getting to know what she does, likes, and even the things that annoy her. The single step of asking her out will make her go wild on the thought of seeing you again. 14. Notice the small things. Once on a date, don't forget to notice the small things. Does she like pineapples on her pizza? Does she have a habit that you're fond of? The next time you mention these small things, she will eventually know how much she means to you. Women love it when the small details are highlighted. When she knows that these things are acknowledged, she will feel like someone is really looking out for her, no matter how small. This makes them feel special and will ultimately crave for your presence more. 13. Make her feel special. What makes a guy 100 times more attractive is how he thinks and does special things for a girl. Is she out on a busy night at work? Drop by some meal or some coffee to get her going. Is yoga anytime soon? Offer a free ride or get her something light to snack on. The special moves will ultimately make her feel special. And once again, she will be on the hunt for your presence again. Because of these special things, she will lust for your presence and thoughtfulness over and over again. 12. Confess your feelings. There will be nothing more exciting for a girl than the moment you finally confess how you feel for her. Even with all the thoughtfulness and dates, confessing your feelings and getting on the same page is something that will make them want you more. Confessions are the best way to open up to a girl. Aside from how you feel, let her into your life with a few details. Let her ask more questions about you and get her into asking more about your personal life. Of course, it will be up to you on how much information you will share, but the more intimate these will be, the more she will lust over you. 11. Don't go over the top. When you're in the dating phase, you will most likely want to go over the top to make her feel very special. You don't need to spend luxuriously, or even take her out of the country for a date. Remember, it's the tiny details that will build the strongest foundations. Some girls don't want guys who are borderline creepy, so tone down how you treat her and leave enough room for her to crave for you again. Let her feel that you are cheeky and that you are very attracted to her. Show interest in her, but never to a point of being her stalker. 10. Talk about sex. One thing that will surely make her lust over you is how you talk about sex. Sweep conversations into something more intimate and open up about your sex life. Remember not to force her into these conversations if she isn't ready yet, because you will likely be just another guy off her list. Build your sexual chemistry by finding common things in your past relationships. Are there any things that entice you both in bed? Slowly strike these conversations on one of your dates. Do you want to be more adventurous? Get into phone sex. Talk about sex on random parts of the day. Let her know that you think about her and sex at the same time. She will most likely lust about you in these times and will mostly want to see you as soon as possible. Get into the groove of building that sexual chemistry and you will likely be successful in getting the girl. 9. Make her miss you. Making her miss you can be tricky. You don't want to fall on the other side and lose her eventually. Once you have built a connection, give her some time. While you keep mentioning how she and sex can be a good idea, don't go all out and leave some time for her to miss you. You can call her daily and decide to take a day off of not calling her. Don't be quick into replying and let her mind go wild for some time. Have some days off together so she will have the chance to miss your conversations, your dates, and your texts. Casually flirt with her and ask if she missed you. You've won her by charm if she answers with yes. 8. Don't be possessive. Women like to be independent, but they also like to be taken care of. Balance out having her and letting her go do her own thing at her own pace. Once she has built a connection with you, she will understand how you would want her to date you exclusively. Cut the toxicity out and don't be a possessive guy. If you want to eventually build a relationship, this is a great way to make her lust over you and crave for someone that will make her feel liberated. 7. Boast over your body. One thing that can make girls drool over men is a hot body. Do you hit the gym? Flex how many reps you can do and how strong you can be. Girls love the fact that men are also into taking care of their body. Having a hot body is always a factor on how girls can lust over you. Work out consistently and make sure you have a routine in keeping your body at its best. When you have the time, get into chances that will boast your body off. Hit the beach and go topless. Or you can go for an outdoor date that will get you in your best look. This way, your girl will notice how much of a hotshot you are and will surely lust over you for days. Tease her with a bit of some flexing and make sure your best areas are seen. She will likely stare and frankly just let her. Let her enjoy your hard-earned body, but don't let her get the best of you yet. Build tension so she can lust about you over and over. 6. Hit her up randomly. Slide into her private messages and hit her up randomly. Let her know that she is in your thoughts and that you are very interested in her company. If she is busy, leave tiny notes or no reply messages so she won't feel any pressure at all. To spice things up, leave tiny flirty messages. Let her know how her figure looks so good in today's dress. Hint how her outfit makes you weak in the knees. Give her compliments when you hit her up randomly, and she will likely keep going to make sure you notice something new or nice about her. The fact that you are eyeing her out will make her eye you back and lust for you again. 5. Subtle touches go a long way. Take some flirting into the equation and she will surely lust over you more. In your dates, subtly hold her waist when you let her in the seat. Trace her back when you let her get in the car. Brush off her hair when she talks to you. The subtle touches do go a long way and will make every day very riveting for her. She will likely crave for these subtle touches, so make sure you are doing them as smoothly as possible. Girls don't like guys who try very hard and are very fake. So make sure these moves go easy, and that you are confident as you give hints of how much you are lusting over her as well. 4. Smize. Put your best foot forward when you see her every day. And yes, you heard it right, it's smize. It's important to have a great smile, but most importantly, smize to make her feel how genuine you are. A great smize can make her feel like she is much appreciated. Once she smiles back, she is indicating how interested she is as well. Smize on your conversations, the dirty ones, the funny talks, and even on your dates. A smize can go a long way in keeping her interested in you. 3. Impress her. If you are very interested in a girl, you would want to impress her in various ways. The problem with most men is that they don't know where to start. Find your strengths and find your similarities with the girl so you can have a clear path on how to impress her. Lead her in with how much you are trying to get her with every impressive task you do. Offer to bring her groceries. Let her take a day off with some back massage. And do other simple tasks that will surely make her fall for you. As you do these tasks, flirt with her more and tease her with every move you make. Mixing out flirting and some chores will only make her crave for you some more. 2. Be confident. With whatever stage you are in dating, confidence is really the key. In your conversations, strike up sexual ideas when she is into talking dirty. Make sure that she feels how confident you are in bed and that you are ready when she is. Women are easily turned on with confident men. There is no way she won't think about you at night when you confidently talk about sex, your experience, and other intimate things. 1. Meet her in the eye. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul. In various ways, this is essentially true. Eye contact is the perfect way to convey what you really want from a girl. When you talk dirty, meet her in the eye. When you are dead serious in your conversations, meet her in the eye. There are a lot of emotions a girl can get in eye contact. This simple gesture can get her into you. Eye contact simply makes them feel good, and that you are really putting the conscious effort of spending time with her. With every eye contact, she might even suggest how much she likes you as well. Make sure to meet her in the eye to get more ideas, and let your eyes speak words that are hard to confess. Eye language, no matter how cliche, will definitely leave a mark on your girl for her to lust over. Getting a person to lust over you does not need to just be superficial, and you can always build a more serious relationship with this tip and the rest we've shared here. If you like today's video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.